Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Rosado again for some shared reading, and today we are going to be reading The Food Chain. Now every day we've had a different goal, and today it's super easy. Do you know what we're going to do? All we are doing is asking questions while reading the text. So every time we go to a new page and we read new words, new sentences, we are going to be asking ourselves questions. So if we were in class and we were with our friends, what would we be doing? Right? We would turn around and maybe ask a friend or ask the teacher, raise our hand, and share our questions. That way we become stronger and better readers, and we also pay more attention and learn more about what we are reading. So, are you ready? Great, let's start. All plants need food in order to live. Green plants make food. They need air, water, and sunlight to make food. Most plants need soil too. Now, what kind of questions can I ask myself in this page? For example, why do green plants make food? Why not red or yellow plants? Are there any red and yellow plants? Why do plants need air, water, and sunlight to make food? These are questions that we can ask ourselves when we read this page. Now, we already know from past stories that we've read that plants need air, water, and sunlight to grow, to become tall, be stronger, and just like us, they need nutrients, right? So we know that in order to make food, they need all of these things. Let's keep going. All animals need food in order to live. These animals eat plants. They are called plant eaters. Now, I want you to ask yourself something about this page. Right. Why are they called plant eaters? Because they eat plants. What's another question that we can ask? What kind of animals eat plants? Right, we look at the picture and we know that cows, goats, rabbits, and insects eat plants. Great job. Let's continue. These animals eat other animals. They are called meat eaters. What questions can you ask about this page? Why are they called meat eaters? Because they eat meat. What animals are called meat eaters? And then you would answer me with what? The names of these animals. So we have a lion, a wolf, a snake, and a hawk. All of these animals eat meat. Plant eaters and meat eaters are part of a food chain. Most food chains begin with plants. The plants make food which animals eat. Let's look at a food chain. So what question can you ask in this page? Maybe, what is a food chain? Do you know what a food chain is? Maybe you don't know, but from this page we learn that they begin with plants. They make food which animals eat. So let's look at this. A grasshopper eats the leaves of a plant. The grasshopper grows bigger. A frog eats the grasshopper. The frog grows bigger. So from that question that we just asked, can we answer it with the information on this page? I think we can. It's like a cycle, right? First, there's a plant. And then, trying to make a plan for you guys here. And then the grasshopper is going to eat the leaves of the plant, right? What's going to happen then? When that grasshopper becomes stronger and bigger, the frog is going to be hungry. And what's the frog going to eat? The grasshopper. So the grasshopper eats the leaves, and the frog eats the grasshopper. A fish eats the frog. The fish grows bigger. So what is this like, boys and girls? This is like a chain. First came the plant, then the grasshopper, then the frog, then the fish. So what question could we ask here? Maybe, who eats the fish? If they already ate the plant, they already ate the grasshopper, they already ate the frog, now who's going to eat the fish? A small bear catches the fish. The bear eats the fish. The bear grows bigger. So what questions could we ask here? Maybe, what kind of fish does the bear eat? How many fish does the bear want to eat to be full? Did the fish know it was going to be eaten by a bear? All of these are questions that we can ask. Look at this example. This food chain has 5 parts. The green plant is the first part. The grasshopper is the second part. What are the other parts? So already we have a question in here. Now, how many parts does this food chain have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who's the first part? The green plant. Who's the second part? The grasshopper. So what are the other parts? The frog eating the grasshopper, the fish eating the frog, and then the bear eating the fish. Excellent. Awesome job today, boys and girls. You did a fantastic job. This was a short story, but all we were doing was practicing how to ask questions during a reading. So why do we need to ask questions? We need to ask questions so we can become stronger and better readers, and we can learn more about what we are reading. So, I'll see you guys next time for another episode of Share Reading. I hope you're all doing good. Bye!